gamma be a smooth curve in a domain D and fz be a LT function defined at all points for z on gamma. Now let's see denotes the image of gamma under the transformation W equal to fz. Just a minute. Yes, so W C denotes the image of gamma under the transformation W equal to fz. Please be careful about this one. It's very simple concept, but right now I'm defining it in different manner. So gamma be a smooth curve in domain D and fz be a function defined at all point z on gamma. This is whatever the smooth curve. C denotes the image of gamma under the transformation W equal to fz. Now, the parametric equation of curve C is given by Ct equal W2 equal to F gamma t for R t belongs to A. Now, this is the wait for here, but the meaning of parametric equation of a curve C. Yes, who will tell me the definition of parametric equation? Use Pooja Gautam. Pooja,
Yes, sir.
what is the definition of parametric equation of a curve?
पता नहीं सर.
पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन कभी सुना है आपने नाम? Have you heard sometimes?
नहीं सर.
पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन सुना ही नहीं है. प्राची, प्राची गिरी, नितिन शुक्ला, नितिन शुक्ला, प्राची गिरी, प्रफुल्ल,
Yes, sir.
Yes, have you
Yes,
heard
sir.
the name? Do you know the parametric equation?
Sir, parametric equation. Sir,
आप लोगों ने
I
10th
don't.
में पढ़ा नहीं पढ़ा? सर्किल का पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन क्या होता है?
Yes, sir, पढ़ा है सर.
सर्किल का
सर
पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन क्या है?
ज्योमेट्रिक फिगर्स को सर डिफाइन करने के लिए सर जो
मेरा
जो
क्वेश्चन
कर्व
व्हाट इज
होते
द
हैं.
पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर.
यस सर.
इसका पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन बताइए. पैरामेट्रिक
सर
इक्वेशन ना?
यस सर ओरिजिन पे होता है सर सर्कल का एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर.
हाँ, तो इसका पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन क्या होगा?
सर एक्स माइनस
आपने पैराबोला, इलिप्स, हाइपरबोला, सर्किल, इन सभी जितने फीचर्स सबके पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन 10 में स्टडी किया था ना?
यस सर.
तो क्या है पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन? y स्क्वायर इक्वल 4x, व्हाट इज दिस? सर्किल है ये?
नो सर पैराबोला सर.
तो इसका पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन क्या होगा? पढ़ा है या नहीं पढ़ा? इसका पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन तो पढ़ा है ना वहां पे?
सर पढ़ा है सर.
Done. Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Rahul.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please. Do you know parametric equation?
सर सर्कल की तो सर याद है सर, वो x इक्वल टू
सर,
a cos थीटा कॉम,
अच्छा सर्कल बता दीजिए x इक्वल टू a cos थीटा और
y इक्वल टू a sin थीटा सर।
गुड। पैराबोला का नहीं याद है?
सर उसकी सर 280 कोमा 80 स्क्वायर होती है सर, y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ac।
तो अभी पैरामीट्रिक से याद तो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन?
सर पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन मतलब सर अलग वेरिएबल में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर लेना इक्वेशन को।
अलग वेरिएबल पे ट्रांसफॉर्म करना। एनीवन कैन प्लीज रेज योर हैंड who can define parametric equation in simple way?
Sir, basically we define all the dependent variables in terms of an independent variable.
Repeat it again.
Sir, we define all the dependent variables of the equation in the form in terms of an independent variable t.
Independent t. So we try to define in some way. Parametric equation means this point is clear that f x y. Please listen carefully. F x y equal to c. What this represent? What this equation represent? Anyone please? What this equation represent? Anyone?
So a constant curve.
Constant.
No, this equation, what this equation represent? Fx equals c. C is a constant, that's okay. So what this equation represent? बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन हम आपसे पूछ रहे हैं.
Constant curve.
Not don't use the word constant, simply curve. This represent a curve. Am I right? If c is absolute constant, then it will represent a curve. But if c is the arbitrary constant, then it will represent the family of curves. Am I right? Yes, please. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For example, x square, very simple example which you know already, x square plus y square equal to a square. You have been seeing this one, a square. So it is the circular family of circle.
So a circle whose center is at origin.
It is not a family circle.
Yes, sir, it's a
Family of
family of.
circle.
Oh, yes, sir, it's a family of circle.
Yes, so that will depends upon a. If a is an arbitrary constant means the value of a may be changed. The change in the sense that will depends upon the conditions. Suppose a is 1, then one circle, a is 2, then another circle, centered in origin, but radius is going to be changed. A is 3, A is 4, 5, 6, 7. So by changing the value of a, circle will change. That is the family of circle. But if I am going to say that a is absolute constant, so in that case it will represent a curve. Am I right? It will represent a curve. Anyway, so family of curve are curves. So fxy equal to c. We can say it is a curve. Maybe a curve. We can say a curve or family of curve. That's different. So our aim is to write the parametric equation of this curve. So what do you mean by the parametric equation? Parametric equation of a curve. So what is the meaning of this one? We should be careful about this one because Now, in complex analysis, it will require frequently. Okay. So we may say the parametric the parametric equation of curve. I'm not using A or something. Parametric equation of curve FLC is the value of dependent variable y and independent variable x in terms of another parameter is another parameter. That's it. Again, please think about this one. The parametric equation of a curve xy equal to c is the value of dependent variable and independent variable x in terms of another parameter. In terms of another parameter, we may use that parameter t, but it's not fixed t. T, it means maybe theta or something like that. So here I'm mentioning t, but it's not always fixed. You should go with this definition. This is the important definition. In your 10+2 standard, but you did, you remember the parametric equation of curves, parametric equation of some particular curves like circle, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, so on. But without understanding the concept of parametric equation of a curve. Now we are in position, if you know this definition, then we are in position that we can write the parametric equation of curve, parametric equation of any curves. For example, I'm going with a very well-known example, which you know already, x square plus y square equal to e square. So what is the meaning of parametric curve? As we define that, the value of dependent and independent variable in terms of another parameter. This, the value is the value of dependent variable y and in terms of another parameter t. This satisfy the equation of given curve. They satisfy the equation of given curve. Fxy equal to c. So the parameters of this means you are free to choose. You are free to make a parametric equation. So some students, some of you just told me that x equal to a cos theta and y equal to a sin theta. अभी आप में से किसी ने बताया हमें कि सर सर्कल का जो पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन है दिस वन. Why this one? The value of x is in terms of theta as well as value of y in terms of. Okay. And these values are going to satisfy this one. Just put these. X equal to 8 means a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. So we may take common a square, so cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So then left side equal to y. So the value of xy in terms of another parameter is going to satisfy this equation that will become the parametric equation. Am I right? Now I need a question from some of you. Rahul. Rahul,
Yes, sir.
concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
तो आप इसी सर्किल का कोई दूसरा पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन बताओ मेरे को. एक पैरामीट्रिक तो हमारा ये हो गया.
Yes, sir.
As per the definition, parametric means the value of xy in terms of another parameter t which satisfies the given equation of given curve. तो आपको
Yes,
ऐसा
sir.
y की वैल्यू तो नहीं है आपको. Suppose
Yeah.
we are going to assume x equal to t, then the value of y can be assumed as square root of a square minus t square. You check am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
x की वैल्यू t के टर्म्स में है और y की वैल्यू भी उसी t के टर्म्स में ही है. The same parameter t. Now use these value of x and y in this equation to check it whether it is going to verify or not. Check करो. इसको satisfy
Yes.
कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है x y की वैल्यू.
Sir, कर रहा है सर satisfy.
तो x t square plus y square means a square plus t square, so that will come a square. So as per the definition of this one, the value of dependent variable and independent variable, that is x, y and x in terms of the parameter t, which satisfy the given equation is known as the parametric equation. So this is the parametric equation of this one as well as this one is also the parametric. बट अगर आपको 10+2 स्टैंडर्ड में मैं ये कहता आपसे कि पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन है तो आप तुरंत मेरे को कहते नो सर इट इज रॉन्ग. क्यों? because you remember the parametric equation of circle like this one, x equal to a cos theta plus and y equal to sin. आपने इसको याद कर लिया तो आप उस केस में आप इसको एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करते. बट नाउ आई थिंक यू आर इन पोजीशन टू एक्सेप्ट इट that it may be the parametric equation of this curve. Am I right? Similarly, I am giving another equation because we are well known. So y second equation y square equal to x power 3. Next, who will tell me? Praful Raj Singh, sorry, Rahul Raj Singh. राहुल दास, नितिन शुक्ला, अजय पवन कल्याण.
सर
अजय, इसके पहले मैं आपको कई बार कॉल किया था, आपने रिस्पांस नहीं किया था. क्या बात है, यहाँ पे हो नहीं आप?
सर शायद नेटवर्क नहीं थी सर.
मेरा
मुझे
नेटवर्क
सुना
नहीं
ही
है.
नहीं.
आप लोगों को मैं कह रहा हूँ प्लीज बी अटेंड इन द क्लास. ठीक है? हाँ, तो आप रहिए क्लास में. अगर आपको कोई इमरजेंसी नहीं है तो आप क्लास में, अगर इमरजेंसी है तो आप लॉगिन ही नहीं करिए आप. ठीक है? चलिए बताइए. But the parametric equation of this one, y square equal to x power 3. अजय,
सर
बनाइए पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन. अगर समझ में आई नहीं आया तो कोई डाउट है पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन डिफिनेशन में?
नहीं सर.
तो इसका बनाइए आप. पैरामीट्रिक मींस क्या? एक्स और वाई की वैल्यू तो निकाल करनी है आपको इन टर्म्स ऑफ टी. एक्स को चूज
सर
करो.
x is equal to t. सर x is equal to t.
यस, टी से भी कर सकते हो आप. टी ले लो तो वाई की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? बताओ. ठीक है बेटा, वाई की वैल्यू बताइए. एक्स को 30 में रख दो ना तो वाई की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? एक्स को
X
3
क्यूब
रख दो
minus-
तो So t to the power 3, it means
T
t power
cube
3 by 2.
minus under root of
minus
T cube minus.
yes, under t cube minus कहाँ होगा? Under root of t cube हो जाएगा ना simply.
ऐसा
Under root of t cube हो जाएगा आपका. So this
सर
is
y
the
equal to
parameter.
3 power 3 by 2.
हाँ 3 by 2 भी कर सकते हो आप.
हाँ सर.
बट अगर थोड़ी सी आप माइंड यूज करते तो अगर हम लोग इसको x इक्वल टू टी स्क्वायर रिज्यूम कर लेते, जब हम लोग x को टी स्क्वायर रिज्यूम करते तो y की वैल्यू कितनी आती? यस प्लीज. अगर आप x को टी स्क्वायर रिज्यूम कर लो तो y की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी?
थ्री.
टी पावर 3 हो जाएगी. ओके, तो आप स्क्वायर रूट से बच जाओगे. नाउ लेट्स चेक इट. y को टी पावर 3 रखो यहाँ पे तो कितना हो जाएगा? टी पावर 6 हो जाएगा. तो लेफ्ट साइड टी पावर 6, अगर x को टी स्क्वायर रखोगे तो राइट साइड भी आपका टी पावर 6 मिल जाएगा. It means the value of x and y in terms of another parameter t, these values are also going to satisfy this equation. It means these will become the parametric equation of this curve. Am I right, Ajay?
Yes sir.
Clear, right?
Clear है sir.
So we are in position to write the parametric equation of any curve. हम लिख सकते हैं. No need to remember it. Anyway, we were discussing this one. The parametric equation of the curve C is given by Ct means this one. So I hope you are understanding the meaning of parametric equation. So there are few curves. It means one curve is there C and its image is there. Some values defined like this one. Parametric equations is okay. So suppose that gamma passes through Z naught. That gamma is what is the gamma? Gamma is the curve that passes through Z naught. Z naught means y t naught, at which f is analytic, and f dash Z naught equal to 0. Z naught not equal to 0. Then we can find the value of w dash also. Why w dash? That is the derivative of parametric curve we can find. Derivative of this one equal to this one, and meaning of this one is equal to argument of w dash t naught. I hope you all know about that argument. Argument is this theta naught. It's equal to argument of f dash z naught plus argument of gamma dash t naught. So these are the things. So ultimately, our definition of anyway. So which kind of information we got from here? That if gamma be a smooth curve in a domain D and fz be analytic, be a function defined at all points z on gamma, C denotes the image of gamma under the transform w equal to fz. Then the parametric equation of C can be written as Ct equal to Wt, which is the function of y means gamma t, where t belongs to the closed interval A. So if gamma is in that curve, gamma curve passes through the point z naught is y t naught, at which function fz is analytic and its derivative at that point is not equal to 0, then the parametric equation of the curve will also be derivative differentiable at that point, and w dash t equal to f dash gamma t naught and then into gamma dash t naught. Gamma T naught means nothing, it is Z naught. So F dash Z naught into gamma dash T naught. So what, when we are going to take the argument of this one, then argument is going to be multiplied. It means argument of W dash T naught equal to argument of F dash Z naught plus argument of gamma dash T naught. Now, if C1, C2 be a two curves from AB to CB, two smooth curves in a domain. Initially, we have considered only one curve, gamma के हमने बात किया. Now we are going to consider two curves, C1. In picture it is clear. C1, this one C1, and this one C2. With two smooth curves in a domain D, passing through the point Z0. The point Z0 is mentioned here. You may see this point Z0. So C1, C2 are two curves passing through the point Z0. Then from the above, we may write the parametric equation of C1 as well as C2. So parameter of C1 means W1 dash. So argument of W1 dash at T0 equal to argument of F dash Z0 plus argument of C1 dash T0. And similarly argument of W dash T0, and that will be the argument of F dash Z0 plus argument of C2 dash. It means, the meaning of this ones, when we are going to subtract this, it means argument of W dash T0 minus argument of W1 dash T0. So you may see what is going to happen. Argument F dash Z0 to argument F dash Z0 will cancel out. So argument of C2 dash T0 minus argument of C1 dash T0. So these are the things we are going to get. I hope you are getting my point. What are W? W means these are the images of C. But I want to show here argument of this W. It means C1 has been, suppose C1 has been transformed in this T1 curve. Under the transformation W equal to as said. C2 is transformed in this T2 curve in the transformation. So differences of, it means angle, but above shows that the angle between T1 star and T2 star, ultimately, think about this, argument means, angle from the baseline, that is x-axis. So that one, it means T2, here T2, baseline minus T1, so you get the angle between the curves T1 star and T2 star. And these represent the angle between the curves C1 and C2. So both are going to come same. So this kind of information we got from here, that a transformation W equal to Fz is said to be conformal if it preserves angle between oriented curves in magnitude as well as in orientation. Orientation in the sense direction. Again, I'm repeating, and you may go back to the previous slides. So this C1, C2 are going to transform in T1 star and T2 star with some transform W equal to Fz. This transform W. So this transformation is said to be conformal. Again, I repeat. This transformation is said to be conformal. This transforms C1, C2 into T1 star, T2 star. So this transformation is said to be conformal if the angle between C1 and C2 is going to be preserved as angle between T1 star and T2 star in magnitude and direction. Between direction means you may see here anti-clockwise C1 C2 and here again anti-clockwise. So if beta 2 minus beta 1 is equal to gamma 2 minus gamma 1, I hope you can understand that. Curve here, curve K1 and K2, not T1, T2, sir. So the angle between C1 and C2 is equal to the angle between K1 and K2. So both angle are equal and the direction are equal, then this transformation W equal to Fz is said to be conformal. So the definition of this conformal mapping is a transformation W equal to Fz is said to be conformal if it preserves angle between oriented curves in magnitude as well as in direction. Now, any question, please? If anyone want to ask a question, then you may ask me, please. If anyone have a doubt regarding the definition of conformal mapping, Mridul,
Yes, sir.
is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
The simple definition of the conformal mapping that a transformation W equal to Fz is said to be conformal if it preserves angle between oriented curves in magnitude and in direction. Now, again, I don't know whether you have a confusion or not, but I have a little bit confusion. But we are doing without seeing the transformation of the curves, we are doing all these things. So I'm in opinion to some questions based on the transformation of the images with the suitable transformation. Just I'm giving a few questions. So please write down the question. Question. Let a rectangular region OABC with vertices at O 0, 0. A is 1, 0. B is 1, 2. And C 0, 2. Be defined in the Z plane question is find the image of this region in the W plane. In the W plane. Under the mapping, W equal to Z plus 2 plus I. Question is clear? And making this one just I'm drawing the picture also. This one and this one. I hope my screen is visible. You know,
Oh, yes, sir.
this point is origin O and its coordinate is 0, 0. Zero comma 0. At the same time, another point is 1, 0. Two points are given there. And next point is B. B is 1, 2. Okay. And next point C is 0, 2. So I hope you all are aware about this picture 0, 2. So it is here x-axis as z plane means x-axis. And then it is y-axis. So that's why it is known as z plane. We are going to call it as z. Picture is clear? We may fill this picture by something. This is our picture. So what is our aim? Our aim is to find the image of this picture in W plane. W plane means what? Yes, please. W plane means, you all know that this one. W planes means W equal to Fz, W equal to Fz, and Fz equal to U plus iota B. So it is in Z plane, axes are X and Y, but in W plane, axes are going to be U and B. So if axes are going to U and B, so that's why that will be known as W plane. And here axes are X and Y, that's why it will be named as Z plane. So our aim is to find the image of this one in W plane. So in order to find the image of that one in W plane, first we need to find the relation. That means we need to find the value of U and V. So W equal to Fz, Fz equal to U plus iota V. This implies U equal to, if you all agree, I can write directly. Z means X plus Iy. So U will become X plus 2.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, can you please end this class because we have another class from 12 and we have to join it on time.
Yeah, just a minute, please.
Yes,
So,
sir.
and V equal to U equal to X plus 2 and V equal to Y plus 1. Please check camera. Z is X plus Iy. So Y plus 1 will be V. So with the help of transformation, we can find the value of U and V. Now our aim is to transform the images. Images means this images. So we need to define the boundary of this one. So boundary of OA. There are 4 boundary OA. But this boundary, OA means equation of OA is Y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Correspond to this boundary, we can find the boundary in the W plane. So if Y equal to 0, then what will come? V equal to, yes please, Y equal to 0 means V equal to 1. Sorry. V equal to 1. Similarly, we may with the help of all the boundaries, AB. AB, what is the equation of AB? You may get the equation of AB. X equal to 1. Please check. Am I not? AB means it is parallel to Y axis. So X equal to 1. So X equal to 1 corresponding to this one, what we can find? We can find some boundary in the W plane. X equal to 1 means U equal to 3. U equal to 3. Similarly, you may find the boundaries OAB, BC. You can see the picture. BC. This point is BC. BC. BC parallel to X axis, so X equal to parallel to X axis means Y equal to 2. So Y equal to 2. If Y equal to 2, then V will come 3. And then CA or AC. So again this is AC means X equal to 0. X equal to 0. So if X equal to 0, then U will come. So correspond to each boundary, we got the value of U and V. And we may U and V just treat it as X and Y. So you may draw the boundary corresponding to this one. So anyway, I will complete this one in the next class. Wait a minute. Okay, now I may leave the class, please.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
So can you please upload these PPTs?
Yes, I will upload. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
And so, is there any further class today?
No.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Study period taken the class, no?
Yeah, okay. Oh, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.